Looks just like Christmas. Smells fabulous. Fresh, homegrown basil. Man. Hi, welcome to Covertpam. I'm Keith Covert and this is Casey's Kitchen. Tonight we're going to talk about a little recipe, something you can have so much fun. Pizza. You can't mess it up. All you can do is burn it or drop it. Those two bad things. So, let's get started. We're going to talk about dough. You know, you can spend all your time in the kitchen working really hard putting together a great dough. All right, you can do it as simple as just put some olive oil on toast. Make you a great pizza. Me personally, I like to kind of do it in the middle, and I use this simple little trick, Naan Bread. This stuff is amazing. I guarantee you, this recipe I learned in the Middle East, made this, I've not left it once. Anytime I want pizza, I can do better than any pizza place in town, making a fresh pizza with my own ingredients. One of the best tips, and this is, I guarantee you, this is true thing. Do not pile it up like this if you want the bread to cook. So what you want to do is make sure you got a fresh, a good layer. Stay away from the center. Build your pizza out. You turn out a better product, I guarantee you. Don't do this. Do it like this. What you want to do is keep the toppings scattered evenly across your pizza. Because if you pile it up in the middle, what you get is you get a good pizza. It's still tasty, but it's soggy here. It never cooks, especially if you're using a raw dough. So that's an important tip. Yeah, just lay it out. Make it look pretty like you're doing it on a plate. Keep it even. It cooks evenly. And, you know, actually, it looks better. Look at the difference. Piled in the middle or scattered across the pizza, actually making a level surface. Now, I'm still going to put some more stuff. I got to put the cheese and things like that on there, so wait till it's done. I've got a cooking stone in here, which makes it really great for making pizza. Okay, I'll pull it out here, put it out on my little board here, and then cut it up, and pull down something. That looks perfect. Look at that. Look at that. So you got a little brown on the cheese. That is perfect. Hi, welcome to Covertpam. I'm not having very much fun. I'm getting a lot of direction from behind the camera. So, here we go. You gotta love life.